Hi, I'm Natalie, and today we're off on an adventure. Vroom vroom! Driving through our town, what can you see? There's big buildings and small buildings. There's a school, town hall. There's our house. There's so much to explore in our tiny town. Maybe you could make your own town too. Come on, let me show you how. What we're going to need to make our town is some old cardboard boxes. Cereal boxes and soap boxes are perfect for this. Just ask Mum and Dad what they've got lying around. We're going to need some glue, a Sharpie and some scissors, some coloured paper, some tape, coloured paints, a paintbrush, a paper plate, and some newspaper is a good idea as well. Now before we get started, we need to put some newspaper down. We're using paint today and things can get messy. We don't want to ruin Mum's good table. Now it's time to paint our boxes. You can choose whatever colours you like. I finished painting and now I'm setting my box aside to dry. Our box is dry and we're ready to decorate. To do this, we're going to need our coloured paper. Now I'm going to pick another colour and I'm going to make my windows. One, two, three. And just like that, our building is finished. You can make lots in different colours and shapes and sizes. Now let's add this to our town and go on an adventure.